This tutorial is how to record vocal on FL Studio, but I'm using FL Studio 10 for this tutorial. It's for the beginners who want to record their vocal on FL Studio. So first thing what you have to do is to come to the mixer. You select track 2, you go to this none, understand, you go to none to select the mic inputs, but I will choose in 1. So when I select it, it starts breaking up. You can see the wave signal is making out. I'll click it to disable. So now I've disabled it. So I don't want my voice to be talking double or triplet. It's horrible. So now I've selected in instant track 2. Then I'll go to record. I'll go to audio, into the playlist of an audio clips. Yeah, mic testing coming out straight this time around. I just want to tease all the Fruity Loops beginners in this FL Studio 10, 11, 12, 20, 21 and Cubase 5. I'm just coming out straight to teach you all guys to learn very hard for you to start doing your own music. Yeah. This is stuff for you. So now this is the wave signal which I've just recorded. Let me just play it. Yeah, mic testing coming out straight this time around. I just want to tease all the Fruity Loops beginners in this FL Studio 10, 11, 12, 20, 21 and Cubase 5. I'm just coming out straight to teach you all guys to learn very hard to start doing your own music. Yeah. Let me start for you. So this how to record on FL Studio 10. I'm using FL Studio 10, but I just want to teach the upcomers, the beginners who want to learn how to do music for tomorrow producers, this is FL Studio 10, 11, 12, 20, 21 and Cubase 5 for the beginners. Anyway, I'll come next time and teach you more tutorials. Follow up this page, like and also share. Call more of your friends who want to learn how to produce music in this Facebook group, FL Studio 10, 11, 12, 20, 21 and Cubase 5. When I come next time, I'll teach you for more tutorial. I see you. Bye.